Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking more about health tips and health benefits. Gusto ko lang iparating sa inyo ang kunting kaalaman about sa health natin. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Let's go na guys! Pag-usapan na natin ang topic natin today about why women has thick and white discharges. Bakit nga ba ang mga kababaihan mayroong mga white discharges? Thick white discharge is typical during menstrual cycle. Usually indicate ovulation. Sometimes could indicate an underlying health issue. Hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan ang mga vaginal discharges natin. Kasi ang vaginal discharge is a healthy part of a vaginal health. So, normal yan sa ating mga kababaihan na may mga discharges. Depende sa type ng discharges. A vaginal discharge is used to help keep your vaginal tissues moist and lubricated. It is also your body's way of maintaining the pH balance of your vagina. So the fluids acts a natural lubrication to move bacteria, dirt, and germs out of your vaginal cavity. So yun ang mga naglilinis ng vaginal part natin. And it is also helps from a mucus plug and the cervix. Yung mga discharges natin na yan ay tumutulong yan sa paglinis ng cervix natin. It keeps the cervix healthy and prevents the spread of bacteria into the uterus during pregnancy. The thick white discharge can occur throughout your menstrual cycle, known as euphoria, and it's normal. The discharge may start out thinner in the days leading of ovulation or when an egg released. During ovulation, the discharge or mucus may become very thick and mucus-like. A sign that you're ovulating, an indication of fertility. And if you're trying to get pregnant, this is the time to have sexual intercourse. As long as the discharge does not have a bad odor and you're not experiencing any other symptoms, it's all healthy. The milky white discharges may also be a sign that you are pregnant. The color of the discharges develop a white-gray shape and a strong fishy and pleasant odor may be a sign of infection. When you are not ovulating, your body will produce vaginal fluid, thick and sticky. This vaginal discharge will act as barrier to prevent the sperm from getting through your cervix and into your uterus. A thick and white discharges can be described as clotted and clumpy, maybe from yeast infection. A fungus called Candida albicans can quickly blossom and develop into an infection. Nagkakaroon ka na ng infection. The yeast infection you may experience thick discharge with a cottage cheese consistency, white discharge that may turn yellow or green, an unpleasant odor coming from the vagina, itching, swelling or redness, a burning sensation or pain during urination, pain during intercourse. So yan na ang mga sign and symptoms na mayroon kang vaginal infection. It's important to see a doctor if you have these following symptoms: pain, itching, discomfort, bleeding, skip period, rashes or sore, a burning sensation during urinate or intercourse, a strong and persistent odor coming from the vagina. Avoid upsetting the pH balance in your vagina by skipping soaps, scented washes, douches or any products. The vagina is designed to care for itself and prevent infection. Kahit may mga discharges kayo pero wala naman kayong naramdaman na masakit, mahapdi pag umihi, mga lower abdominal pain, hindi mabaho ang mga discharges, normal lang yan siya guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sana guys, may nakuha kayong aral dito sa topic ko. At kung may gusto kayong itanong tungkol sa topic na ito, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. at sasagutin natin sa abot ng makakaya ko. Pangalagaan natin guys ang sarili natin, ang health natin, kasi yan lang ang tanging regalo ni God sa atin. Remember guys, health is wealth. Prevention is better than cure. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Magpapasalamat po ako palagi sa subscribers at non-subscribers, sa mga silent viewers ko, sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito sa video ko. Maraming salamat sa supportang binigay niyo sa akin. Sana pagpalain tayong lahat. Bye guys and God bless us. Thank you for watching.